The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome stands as a true fusion of tradition and innovation, a vehicle that carries the soul of a legendary American truck while embracing the modern expectations of a custom-built luxury motorhome. The exterior design is instantly recognizable thanks to its long nose profile, a classic characteristic of the W900 lineage. Its bold and squared-off front end projects authority on the road, with the massive chrome grille at the center acting as a visual signature of Kenworth's timeless craftsmanship. Flanking the grille are dual round headlights, encased in chrome bezels that highlight the balance between retro styling and modern detailing. The hood stretches forward with confidence, and the muscular lines running along its surface reinforce the W900's identity as a powerhouse built to last. On either side, polished stainless steel exhaust stacks rise proudly above the cab, their sheer size adding to the commanding presence of the motorhome. The extended side mirrors provide functionality for wide-angle viewing while complementing the rugged stance. Every inch of this motorhome's exterior tells a story of durability, pride, and American trucking heritage. The side profile of the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome reveals its dual nature. On one hand, it retains the iconic proportions of a heavy-duty rig, but on the other, it transitions into the elongated bodywork of a fully customized motorhome. The blend of truck and RV styling is seamless, featuring smooth, aerodynamic body panels that are engineered to reduce drag while maintaining the square-shouldered strength expected of a W900. Chrome trim lines run along the length, accentuating the craftsmanship and emphasizing the scale of this vehicle. Large side compartments are integrated into the body, hinting at the practicality and storage space without compromising the sleek appearance. The roofline has been designed with both aerodynamics and elegance in mind. LED light strips run across the roof edges, providing modern illumination while enhancing safety and style during night drives. The motorhome sits on polished aluminum wheels wrapped in heavy-duty tires, engineered to handle long-distance cruising with stability and confidence. The wheel arches are flared just enough to match the truck's powerful proportions while keeping the exterior balanced and clean. At the rear, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome carries a design that is both functional and striking. A large aerodynamic tail cap reduces turbulence and improves fuel efficiency, while the integrated LED taillights give a futuristic touch. Chrome bumpers and stainless trim highlight the luxury aspect of the build, while the rear-mounted utility connections remain cleverly hidden within the design, giving the motorhome a refined and uncluttered look. Performance is another aspect that makes this motorhome truly remarkable. Underneath its polished exterior lies the heart of a true W900, equipped with a modernized diesel powertrain capable of delivering massive torque for both hauling and long-distance touring. The upgraded engine meets modern emissions standards while still retaining the legendary pulling power that has made the W900 a favorite among truckers for decades. Paired with advanced transmission systems and an improved suspension setup, the 2026 motorhome provides a smoother and more efficient ride without sacrificing its rugged DNA. The history of the W900 plays a central role in the significance of this motorhome. Introduced in the early 1960s, the Kenworth W900 quickly became a cultural icon in American trucking, symbolizing independence, strength, and the open road. Over the years, it evolved with technological advancements, but its classic long hood silhouette remained largely unchanged. This continuity created a devoted following among truckers and enthusiasts. In transforming the W900 into a motorhome, Kenworth has bridged the past and the future, offering a design that respects its heritage while adapting to new lifestyles and expectations. Features of the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome extend beyond its styling and powertrain. The exterior is equipped with modern smart systems, including adaptive LED headlights that adjust automatically to road conditions, integrated cameras for 360-degree visibility, and advanced aerodynamic kits designed to enhance efficiency. Its paint options include multi-tone custom schemes with metallic finishes, allowing owners to personalize their rigs while maintaining the premium look of polished chrome. The durability of materials such as stainless steel and reinforced composites ensures longevity even under demanding travel conditions. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a rolling monument to trucking heritage, a modern marvel of design, and a performance-driven machine capable of redefining luxury travel. With its unmistakable long-nose design, its chrome-heavy presence, and its flawless integration of truck strength and motorhome refinement, It remains a symbol of American freedom on the highway. For enthusiasts and travelers alike, the W900 Motorhome of 2026 is not only about getting from one place to another, it is about making the journey itself a proud and unforgettable experience.